I do this bunny, some booties and some millions. That's how I'm all the way at work. Ain't no use of getting cute to go to fucking work and ain't nobody gonna see you.
Right. It's amazing to me though. You know, like you see me wanting to get my game together, and instead of giving a compliment.
That is a compliment. Now, see, for us women,
is it?
That's a compliment, because when we say don't make me beat your ass, we telling you looking good, and the women gonna be looking at you. So that's why we be like, I used to tell my dude when I was with him, I'm like, what you? Oh, I must not. Okay, you got like 15 minutes. Get to the store and back.
Right.
Because that's a compliment. It's a compliment. Instead of just saying look nice, we just saying, don't get fucked up and don't get her fucked up. But, I used to be around them women, get to looking too much. I said, okay, bitch, your eyes, excuse my language. I like your eyes is staying a little too long. Then you gonna get the eyes gonna get stuck, and then I might have to, yeah.
My friend came over a few years back, and my wife in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And she had like a curly wig on, and he grabbed her hair.
Yeah.
I like that. I didn't click.
Yeah.
But I did, like pull him to the side. But it was like, she looks for that attention.
Right.
But I had to show my cool, because it was like, don't nobody like to see someone, I know I don't like to see somebody get out of their hookup.
Yeah.
Like to see somebody's jealous, because that's like a kink in my armor.
You know what? I'm not a jealous person, but what I don't like is a woman just blatantly disrespecting me.
Right.
In my face, and I tell men, I never will fight over men. I fight if a woman disrespects.
Right.
Because I feel like if he wants you, he's gonna go to you regardless of what I do or what I don't.
Exactly.
Just don't disrespect me in my face like I'm not there. Now I'll give you a couple of chances. Like I said, I'm not the one to be out there fighting. I'll turn my cheek, But if you take me there, then it's there. But I try to avoid it. But women do that. Like the things that women do to get attention from a man.
Right.
And I'm like, and you're getting the wrong attention. Like you shouldn't never be pressed to be with a man. They got toys and shit out there. I tell them, I'll go to a toy store before I lower my standards as a woman to be with a man who don't respect me. He out there cheating with Betty and Jerry and Jacob. Like, it's not worth it no more.
Exactly.
But you can tell these generation of girls. These girls get up with these men hitting them, and they go right back to him. He cheat with 5 or 6 women, and you keep going with him.
But see, what made me not say something was the giggle. She didn't say, nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Okay.
She didn't say that. So I instantly, I paused my game.
Okay.
Because it was like, if it was reverse,
yeah,
you would have instantly, got on me when it wasn't me who caused it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it was like, nah, I can't play that game to the point where I'll check him later.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna do it in front of you, because when you giggle, it made me feel like you accepted this shit.
Yeah. Like she gets off on it. Yeah. It's like you get off on it. And you got some women that intentionally try to start little things.
Exactly.
Just to see, like some women like, I didn't see you love me. Or, and I'm just looking like, that's not cute. You're just making him feel some type of way towards you.
Exactly.
Walk away from it. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's going to be women that look at you. There's going to be men that look at your wife. But it's the way they do it. And don't be rude. Don't be disrespectful.
Right.
It's crazy, this world. I say, like I said, it's so crazy because I got custody of my grandson. He's 11. So I'm starting all over again with trying to do so funny. He was in the tub, and I kept saying, "Why you in it so long?" So I just happened to check on him, and I thought it was dirt down there. I said, "Well, you ain't wash your butt." So I snatched the rag and looked. I said, "Oh, I forgot about that stage, the pubic hair." I said, "Oh, baby." I said, "I gotta remember how this goes." So now he got the pubic hair, and he said to touch your face. And I caught him watching big booty girls exercise, touching himself. So I told him it's yours.
Right.
I said, I cannot tell you not to touch yourself.
Right.
Because it's your body. You've got to learn your body the best way. I said, I just don't want to see it. Stay in your room. Put a sign. Give me a warning.
Right.
And I told him. I said, now when you release something that's not pee, I said, come talk to me. I got to let you. But yeah, it's crazy. I'm trying to teach him how to be a man and be respectful of girls, you know.
Get him into some boxing.
Oh no, he wrestles.
Do he?
He wrestled for Bukta. He just won his first wrestling match. They was at Stowe. Have you heard the team Guinea? Up in Cleveland. It's a national traveling team, like part of the Browns own it.
Okay.
He plays for them.
Okay.
So we drive up to Cleveland like every other day to take him to practice. And then he came down to Akron and he played for the Akron Kings. They played practice behind Erie Island on the west side. And he played for them. So he just made offensive lineman of the year. So yeah, we keep him in sports. Even though football season is over, he still do football training. Okay. So we keep him into, trying to keep his mind besides, just all girls, and everything, So it's hard, trying to raise a black boy out here, and his daddy ain't shit. God forbid for saying that, but his dad, like 30, got 19 kids. My grandson is the third oldest, but it's like if they're not with him, he don't have shit to say to them. Now he had his son up until 2-3 years ago, and then I got custody of him. But since then he ain't called him nothing. But you with your other kids, and it's hurting because his mom is in the hospital. She got cancer, COVID. They found the blood clot on her lungs, was pushing on her heart. You ain't been to see your mama but one time. And I found out she was living with them. They got evicted. They put her in the hotel. He went to the other baby mama's house. But you can bring your mama with you because where my mama go, I'm going. They put her in the hotel. I guess they quit paying for her hotel. She got kicked out the hotel. And I guess she passed out some months ago. And he just left outside on the ground in Channel.
Wow.
And I just found this out, and it's to the point where I told my son, I don't believe in violence, but I might have to get Satan right quick. I might have to let Satan in just for 2 seconds. Right. But that's your mom. You don't have no siblings. You don't have no family. This is your mom. Then you got mad. You was taking your mom's SSI checks and was using her money and stuff.
Yeah, she ain't no good. Go come to him.
Like so, they put her on hospice. I just went up there to see her, me and my grandson, and they put her on hospice. And I told her, I said, I'm not putting you in no nursing home. I can't see your life sitting there. You coming home with me. So as soon as they release her, I'm bringing her home with me. Can't do it. Can't see people like that.
Right.
I didn't do my mom like that, My mom passed away last year. What the mother? Okay, I'm getting paid. My fat butt get paid today. I'm telling you, because I'm going to roll out this car. I'm going to touch and roll. I'm going to actually hit the damn tree. And I'm getting paid. But yeah, I brought my mom home. I let my mom stay home until she passed. It's so crazy. She passed on my daughter's birthday last year. Yeah, but I can't see, this world is just so bad. It's so corrupt,
Yes, it is.
All these Karens out here now, and Kens, they call them now. And you know what? When you get up, I'm gonna tell you stay in that lane. Okay. The house is gonna be over that side.
All right.
Yeah. My son just called me too. Like, Mom, he won his first wrestling match. I told him to send me the. He ain't seen it yet. They said he did him wrong.